Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So as you can see from the title, today I have another product from The Ordinary here. Now The Ordinary has so many products that I cannot even keep track anymore. This is another antioxidant, and this is resveratrol 3% and ferulic acid 3%. It is a water-free high potency antioxidant formula. Antioxidants, why do we need them? Why do we use them so much? Now let's say, from the layman's point of view, antioxidants helps prevent breakout. It brings some kind of sanity into your skin. It's especially very good for people with acne prone skin, people with very oily skin. And there are so many kinds of antioxidants. This particular one, honestly, I must say I loved from The Ordinary. All of your products might not work for you, or you might not like every one of them, but some of them, I have used so many of them. As I talked about the other time, the EUK honestly wasn't my favorite, but this one over here with the ferulic acid, I loved it. I loved its potency and how it worked. This I have used for about 4 months. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, it feels a little greasy on the skin. It has a kind of an ivory color, and if you put it on your skin and you rub it, you can feel a little bit of heat generating. It's natural, okay? Is natural to experience that. It's a kind of an acid, so that is how acids react to the skin when you put it on your skin. And I have been using this for about 3 months, as I said, and it's advised to apply a few drops in the face in the morning and in the evening. Alternatively, you can mix with other products to enhance its antioxidant capacity. Okay, it says to use after water-based serum. So if you have any water-based serum, you can use it first and use this afterwards, and that will work for you. Now, if you just if you want to bring some sanity into your skin, if you want to improve your skin, be it the texture, the complexion, the smoothness, get rid of fine lines, reverse aging, slow down aging, this is one of the best antioxidants you can get. I am not a fan of all The Ordinary products, but this, I loved it when I got it. No wonder it's almost finished, and I am definitely going to get this again. I have been using this, I would say I use it in the evenings. I don't use my antioxidants in the day, especially if I have to step out. I use it in the evening before going to bed, and honestly, I just use this. I clean my face, I put this on my face, and I go to bed. I don't put on any other skin cream or any treatments again. I just use only this and I go to bed. This was about €9. It's so affordable. It was less than €10. It's one of their cheapest stuff, but it's very, very potent. If you want to introduce an antioxidant into your skincare regime, this ferulic acid mixture with resveratrol 3% is a good option. It did work for me, but I don't know if it's going to work for everybody. To each their own. And this doesn't, it smells like an oil. It smells like a natural oil. It doesn't really have any peculiar smell. The only downside I would say about this is I don't like the feel, when I put it on my skin. I just don't like the after feel, the immediate after feel. It's not the best, okay? I don't like it personally. I don't like how it feels immediately I put it on my skin. Okay, it has this very light, greasiness, but it leaves on your body. It's an acid, and this is it's nature. There is nothing you can do about it. But after some minutes, I feel okay. And yeah, I'll be getting this again. I'll be getting this again because I have used others, other antioxidants from The Ordinary, and I didn't really enjoy it, but I did enjoy this one. I did like this one, and if I have to choose another antioxidant from The Ordinary, I would definitely be trying this again. I must say, it's not only for your face, okay? You can use it on your body, but it's so small that, you know, you're going to run out very quick, but it's affordable. As they said, you can mix it with your body lotion or your facial cream or whatever, then put it on your body. This will help increase, you know, the regeneration of newer, brighter, younger looking skin. So you definitely need this in your skincare regime if you want to improve your skin. So that is it. Let me find out from your comment section, have you used this The Ordinary Resveratrol 3% and Ferulic acid 3%? How did you like it? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to come to you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.